I see one more that I definitely want to take a look at, and that is my account. So here's where I can see my account. I can upgrade my membership. So this is where, after my free trial, if I decided I wanted to purchase this, I would click here to upgrade my account.
Yep.
So if I wanted to upgrade my account, I would simply click upgrade membership. Oh, and here's where I can pick my plan, and I can choose to either subscribe monthly, so it's month to month, or I can get the entire year, and it looks like I get one heck of a savings if I do the full year all at once. And then I see the option that says pay by PayPal.
So
So I
once you
just
tick one
select
of
that.
those boxes, yep.
So just select which one I want and then pay by PayPal, and then it'll go straight to my PayPal, right?
Yep.
Awesome. And if I wanted to buy it through a purchase order, or if I wanted to do it through Teacher's Discovery, I can do that right here. Looks like on the Teacher's Discovery website, I just typed in a quick search for Flangoo, and this popped right up. And here it looks like I can purchase it the same way that I could purchase anything else by Teacher's Discovery. I just click Add to Cart. Yeah, and it just adds it to the cart for me. Okay. If I'm paying month to month and I decide that I'm done, or classes have ended and I don't need it for this next month or the next 2 months, I can just come straight here into my account and I just click the button that says cancel membership.
Yep, you can cancel your membership or you can just let it expire.
And here is where I can keep my email up to date. I can change my password if I need to. I can see my plan. Oh yeah, here's where I can cancel my plan. I can take a look at my billing history and manage profiles.
You can change your name from here.
Okay, so I just click. Yep, and it's changed. That's excellent. All right, so I can't change my profile picture yet, but that's a feature that's coming, you say?
Yep, that's on the agenda.
Awesome. I look forward to that.
Flangoo.com